Hello everyone. Well, this is it. This is the end of 2023 and we are going into 2024 here in the USA. And if you are already in 2024, Happy New Year! My last two projects, I decided to do candy bar boxes. This is the die set I have. I got this one from Temu, I believe, maybe AliExpress. I can't remember if it's a KSCrafts die or not. So anyway, here is this Prima Magic Love box. I have two candy bars in here. Isn't it pretty? I'm still deciding on what to do about this part. I just glued the two little flaps down so it was easy to open. I just love the size of this box. It would be great for rosettes or bows, flowers, any number of swap goodies you could get in here. This is a great size box. And so what I wanted was a tray for inside the box. This one is the sugar plum paper that I got from Debbie Adams. And so I wanted a tray. So I made a tray. Okay. And I have the measurements here. If you would like to make it yourself. 3 5/8 by 7 3/4, and the short side 3 5/8 side you will do a score at 5/8 and 3 inches. On the long side at the 7 3/4 side you will score at 5/8 and 7 1/8, and then you will glue all your corners like you do with a box, and you will have a tray that fits inside. All right. Okay. Happy New Year. See you in 2024. Bye for now. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and I would really like to hit 500 subscribers this year, or maybe even 1,000 by the end of 2024. Please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing and following me also on Instagram, where I will hopefully give you inspiration and keep you in the loop for crafty stuff that's coming up in 2024. Swaps, challenges. I'm going to try really hard to participate in more challenges. We'll see. But anyway, have a happy crafty year. Bye for now.